Adam,
So
before you get into those data elements that are now required, can you talk through some of the data elements that were removed that were on the original NAFTA certification of origin?
sure. So one of the big ones is actually country of origin, which I think is really unique. And it has to do with the fact previously to this, we were using CA and MX, right? To classify where that country of origin was. Now with the change in the tariff of an SPI of S, if the item is on the certificate of origin, then the assumption is it qualifies. That's why it's there. So there's a question that's come in here. It's on USMCA certificate of origin. Must we only include USMX and Canadian originating items, or maybe also include other items? The answer to that is you do not want to include any other items, because by putting something on this form, especially in the scenario that we've provided it here, putting something on this form, you're certifying that whatever's on this form does qualify for USMCA treatment. So we need to be really careful there that we're not adding additional items of other origin, or even items that might qualify as, different. You really start to see it with US goods, right? There are different qualifications to claim something's made in the US compared to qualifying something for USMCA. So that's a big difference. And so by putting something on this form, you are certifying that this item does qualify. So be really careful there with exactly how we handle that piece of this.